welcome back to my channel. I have actually already sliced this open, but the only thing I can see is like the top. So, I mean, you can kind of see with me, we're kind of cheating here, but I'm a mess when it comes to opening packages. So I think I've lost count the amount of times I've flashed my address on the internet. Not gonna lie. Oh, well, okay. Oh. I'm trying to make sure I don't, what is this? I don't know what that is. Oh. Okay. I was able to actually keep the address in there. So let's talk top here. I don't know, okay. So this was my freebie, which is a pocket, a very tall pocket. Like, this doesn't even fit in the B6. All right. So yeah, free pocket, because I said you got a freebie with everything. And these are both B6. I'll put this one out of the way. Again, don't ask me what leather, because I don't know. This is brown with peach, it looks like. And there is no embossing. One thing I will say that I have been lucky enough is to not get embossing. I think there may have been one that I got embossed. No. Unless these have embossing that I don't know of. No, these don't have embossing. I've always lucked out. I haven't had, like, I saw someone get Mommy Life as one of the mystery embossing things. She's like, that's pretty specific. So I'm surprised. I mean, I know, I don't know, that's like personalized, but not personalized, but kind of personalized, because I say no personalization, but I think they just mean like no, like initials, but you know. So yeah, I'm happy with this one. Again, I don't think I'm gonna use it. So this is a compact, and this is a beautiful leather. I'm assuming this is why it's mystery here, is because this hole isn't big enough or something, because I'm not gonna lie, looks pretty fine to me. But like, really, it looks fine to me. That would be the only thing I would consider a misfit. And for me, that's kind of a big deal, but I would probably try to adjust it somehow. I mean, I don't know. What am I missing? Little indent there, but like, for real, it's leather. I don't know, y'all, I sometimes feel like I can't find what's wrong with these. I don't know, but I like the plainness of this. I may end up buying a restrap kit if I keep this, although peach isn't bad. It's not like a terrible color to go with that. But this is like rustic true, like TN. So yeah, I have this one. And then I have this one. Again, don't ask me what it is, but this is a beautiful color. Is this like a midnight? It's not black. It's definitely blue. It's blue with black stitching and white elastic, but the white elastic has been kind of dyed, it looks like, from, or is this light blue elastic? I don't know, do I have white on any of mine? Yeah, this might be light blue. Okay. No, I think it just looks blue because it's with blue. So I'm assuming the misfit is this. Wrong way. No, wrong way. There we go. Is the hole here, which is pretty little. I mean, I'm okay with that. So let's bring out some. Yeah, this is super cute. Again, I got a B6, so I got 2 B6s and 2 notebook jackets. I was really hoping for a Lush in the notebook jacket, like really hoping. And of course, everybody else got Lush notebook jackets. Like literally every notebook jacket I've seen got a Lush except for me. So these are the 2 that I got, and I like them. They're cute. Oh, but you guys know, if you've been with me a while, oh no, I may have to figure this out here. Need to pull this in, right? Yeah. Cause like I hate when people have theirs crossed. I know that's like a weird thing to hate. I don't know, I'm gonna have to play with that. That might be okay. Yeah, I think, see how it's not crossed? Like it's just what it is. I literally hate it when people have their thing crossed. It's a weird thing to hate. Again, it's not logical. It's just me being me, okay? And then it's a little bit of Christmas over here. We have leather everywhere. This green one, it's very Kelly green. Well, Kelly green I feel like is more neon. It's a green. It's coming out pretty true to color on camera. It may be a little bit darker in person. See, that might be close. It's kind of like that color. And it's really pretty. There's nothing wrong with this, again, like, at all. So this is the one that I purchased and also got in a mystery one. So I sold my last one for, again, what it cost. Like I'm not one of those people. I don't do that with Simply Gilded. I don't do that with like Foxy Fix either. I know. I'm one in a few. So supposedly this should just fit. I don't know if I planned that ahead. Yep. In we go. In we go. I mean it fits, but I don't like what it does to the spine. That may do it in my normal one too, and I just, cause like my normal one, I don't have it tucked into this. This is my favorite layout, but I don't have it tucked in this pocket, only in the back one. Yeah, I don't know if like on the bottom it's even more dramatic. I don't know if I like that, doing that to my notebook. Let me see if I just, yeah, see, I mean, I know it's supposed to, and I mean, it's going to, but like, I feel like that exaggerated it a lot. I haven't done this in a little bit because like, life just got in the way. We're in August. I didn't do any of July. I know, I'm terrible. This was a good one because we do care. That was like a mess, but I just kept going. Like it just kept going. This was a cute one. Like, get it together. Like this is really fun. Like I really enjoy this, so I need to get back doing it. Yeah, so that is that notebook jacket. And this is probably my favorite item received, which is this dark, dark red. Again, don't ask me what color it is. Scarlet, that's what I'm gonna go with because it's really pretty. So this may be the only one I end up keeping. And then I might sell the other ones. They're just really pretty, but I don't know if I'm going to use them. I'm gonna be honest here. They're very neutral and very perfect for, you know, this time. Like this is so pretty to me. Focus. There we go. Come back. Like this is very pretty. So I like this one. I'm definitely keeping this one. I'm probably gonna sell this one. And I like this one. For some reason this is speaking to me. So I'm 89% sure I'm going to sell these. I don't think that I'm going to keep them, but I don't know, I'm gonna let them marinate. Today is August 4th, and this video is probably gonna go up today because I feel like I can edit this video really easily. Like I really like this one. I was hoping for a red for like going into winter because I don't know, red was just speaking to me, and I'm okay with that. So this guy is gonna hang out on the shelf a little bit because I hadn't taken this guy out since I got it. So yeah, I'm excited. Oh yeah, and I got this. This color is beautiful. It is a dark, dark, dark teal. like, I don't know, this color just keeps speaking to me. So I may hang on to this one. Like, and this is like really soft. I mean, they're all soft. Let's be real here. That brown is really smooth. Is that Rwanda? I don't know. This is a very durable feeling leather. And it's really pretty. So I don't know. I for sure will sell this pocket because I don't foresee myself using it. Jacket. I think is what they're called, right? Jackets. So, all right. I'm a mess per usual. So, this is what I got. I thought it was actually a pretty good haul. I am still holding out for a Mickey to stop screaming at me. I'm still holding out for a Lush. Eventually I'll get there. I'm pushing it the wrong way. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.